I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. And today we're on the incredible Azimut Atlantis 45. Standing on the swim platform here, you'll notice the Plaz deck, teak decking, amazing sun pad here, nice handrail. This boat also is equipped with a hydraulic platform that you can put a tender or jet ski. One really cool feature of this boat, I'll step up here and open up the tender storage. Stepping up into the cockpit of the 45 Atlantis. Obviously you'll notice we have Starlink, radar, a great navigation light up top, 2 VHF radios. Great seating in this cockpit. You have a built-in grill, ice maker, and refrigerator built in on the port side. So the C-shaped seating in the back is really nice. You also have a table that opens up. You're having dinner or lunch on the boat, makes it twice as big. Stepping up here to the port side, you'll notice you have a great lounge area here for your passengers. Big windows let in a lot of natural light. You also have a giant sunroof if you want some more light coming into this area. Helm area, nice AC vents here, twin Garmin screens. You do have your controls here as well as a joystick and a bow thruster. The galley of the Azimut 45 is awesome. Great storage. You do have full-size fridge, freezer, convection oven, cooktop, and all of this is storage. We have a nice settee. You're having dinner, enjoying the AC, lunch down here, and then over on this starboard wall, you have your TV and soundbar. The aft stateroom of the 45 Atlantis is great. You have 3 full bunks down here, good closet storage, and it is full beam. And it also has its separate head and shower aft. The master stateroom of the 45 Atlantis is forward, full beam, 2 large windows let in a lot of natural light, great closets, port and starboard, but it also has an in-suite head and separate shower. Standing on the bow of the 45 Atlantis, you'll notice you have a giant sun pad here, great lounging area. Do have covers for this when not in use. You can cover everything up. Take a look at the front windshield on the boat. No partitions, no unobstructed views. It's just one-piece glass. It's fantastic. I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and this is the Atlantis 45. If you'd like to see this boat in person, we can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thank you.